Day 2 of trying to style my new pixie cut. This is what we're working with. I just woke up and I have to do a podcast. A video podcast. I watched a video that said to use headbands, so we're gonna try headbands. Outfit ready. This is what we're working with. I'm gonna spray some of this texture spray on it. I don't even know if this is how you apply this product. Just to like make it less crazy. I sprayed it in my ear. I'm gonna brush through it just a little bit to make it a little less crazy. Headband time. Oh! Okay! Oh! Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think headbands are my thing. 10 out of 10. We'll do again.